What's up, my friends? Big George here, and we're going to take a look at the Bright Townhome. That is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage at 1635 square foot. Really good space. I really like the way they laid this one out. So we're going to turn it around and take a look at the Bright. So there we have it, the Bright 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with a 1-car garage, 1636 square foot. Let me tell you, that's a lot of space. Most apartments are less than 1,000 square foot. So if you're in a 2-bedroom apartment or even a 3-bedroom apartment, you're most likely in a no more than 1,200 square foot. And you're probably paying about $2,400, $2,500. When you could be getting into your own home, earning your own equity, and not worrying about having your mortgage payments go up or your rent going up because you're now the landlord and you're in full control. So now's the time to make the switch. We've got a place for you here in Dundee, beautiful town, less than 2 miles away. Brand new Publix is being built right now as more and more commercial keeps pulling into the South Polk County area. So this is the time before the prices continue to go up. And then we'll say, well, we wish we did it then. So here's your opportunity. It's knocking. If you're trying to be in a new home before Thanksgiving, you have less than 4 weeks to act. October 15 is the due date so you can get into contract. That's the latest you can and still be in your home before Thanksgiving. So give Big George a call, 727-542-7773, and we'll find the perfect home for you. I'll see you guys on the next video.